Section 13 of No Animal Food and Nutrition and Diet with Vegetable Recipes by Rupert H. Weldon. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Section 13. Recipes, Introduction, and Soups. The following recipes are given as they appear in the English edition of this book, and were prepared for English readers. While some of these will be difficult for American readers to follow, we give them as in the original edition, and many of the unusual ingredients called for can be obtained from the large grocers and dealers, and if not in stock, will be obtained to order. Nutter is a name given a nut butter used for cooking. It is, so far as we know, the only collection of strictly vegetarian recipes published. Readers interested in the foreign products referred to should write to Pitman's Health Food Company, Aston Brook Street, Birmingham, England, and to Mapleton's Nut Food Company Limited, Garston, Liverpool, England, for price list and literature. The publishers. Soups. 1. Vegetable soup. 1 large cupful red lentils, 1 turnip, 2 medium onions, 3 potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 leek, 1 small head celery, parsley, 1 pound tomatoes, 3 1/2 quarts water. Wash and cut up vegetables, but do not peel. Boil until tender, then strain through coarse sieve and serve. This soup will keep for several days and can be reheated when required. 2. Semolina soup. 4 ounces semolina, 2 chopped onions, 1 tablespoonful gravy essence. Footnote. There are several brands of wholly vegetable gravy essence now on the market. The best known are Vegeton, Marmite, Carnos, and Pitman's Vigor Gravy Essence. End footnote. 2 quarts water or vegetable stock. Footnote. Vegetable stock is the water that vegetables have been boiled in. This water contains a certain quantity of valuable vegetable salts and should never be thrown away. End footnote. 3. Spinach soup No. 1. 1 pound spinach, 1 tablespoonful gravy essence, 1 quart water. Cook spinach in its own juices, preferably in double boiler. Strain from it through a hair sieve or colander all the liquid. Add essence and serve. 4. Spinach soup No. 2. 1 pound spinach, 1 pound canned tomatoes, 1 tablespoonful nut milk, Mapleton's, 1 1/2 pints water. Dissolve nut milk in little water, cook all ingredients together in double boiler for 1 1/2 hours, strain and serve. 5. Pea soup. 4 ounces pea flour, 2 potatoes, 1 large onion, 1 tablespoonful gravy essence, 2 quarts water. Cook potatoes, not peeled, and onion until soft. Skin and mash potatoes and chop onion. Mix pea flour into paste with little water. Boil all ingredients together for 20 minutes, then serve. Lentil and haricot soups. These are prepared in the same way as recipe No. 5, substituting lentil or haricot flour for pea flour. 6. Tomato pea soup. 4 ounces pea flour, 1 pound tin tomatoes, 1 chopped leek, 1 quart water. Mix pea flour into paste with little water. Boil ingredients together 30 minutes, then serve. Tomato lentil and tomato bean soups. These are prepared in the same way as recipe No. 6, substituting lentil or bean flour for pea flour. 7. Rice vermicelli soup. 2 ounces rice vermicelli, 1 tablespoonful nut milk, 1 dessertspoonful gravy essence, 1 quart water. Boil vermicelli in water until soft. Dissolve nut milk in little water. Boil all ingredients together 5 minutes, then serve. 8. Pea vermicelli soup. 2 ounces pea vermicelli, 1 tablespoonful nut milk, 1 tablespoonful tomato purée, 1 quart water. Boil vermicelli in water until soft, dissolve nut milk in little water. Boil all ingredients together 5 minutes, then serve. 9. Pot barley soup No. 1. 4 ounces pot barley, 1 onion, 1 tablespoonful gravy essence, 2 quarts water, corn flour to thicken. Cook barley until quite soft. Chop onion finely. Mix a little corn flour into paste with cold water. Stir into the boiling soup. Boil all ingredients together for 20 minutes, then serve. Wheat and rice soups. These are prepared in the same way as recipe No. 9, substituting wheat or rice grains for barley. 10. Pot barley soup No. 2. 4 ounces pot barley, 1 dessertspoonful nut milk, 1 chopped onion, 1 dessertspoonful tomato purée, 1 quart water. Cook barley until soft. Dissolve nut milk in little water. Boil all ingredients together for 20 minutes, then serve. 11. Corn soup. 1 pound tin sugar corn, ½ pound tin tomatoes, 2 chopped onions, 2 ounces corn flour, 1 quart water. Boil onion until soft, mix corn flour into paste with cold water. Place sugar corn, tomatoes, onions, and water into stew pan. Heat and add corn flour. Boil ingredients together 10 minutes and serve. End of section 13.